Did you know that if you bought $1,000 of Binance Coin just 4 years ago, you would have $4 million today? So let's take a look at how Binance Coin has become the third biggest coin by market cap behind only Bitcoin and Ethereum, and how it works in the Binance Smart Chain. Finally, we'll take a look at Binance Coin as an investment opportunity in the future. So what exactly is Binance? Before talking about the Binance Coin, it's important to understand the smart chain that supports it, Binance. So currently Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, right up there with Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken and FTX. Unlike these other exchanges, Binance decided to go one step further and create its own blockchain. However, this was not going to be any ordinary blockchain. Binance took these formidable resources to create a faster blockchain that could handle more data than currency competitors. At first, Binance blockchain was focused mainly on the Binance exchange. However, after seeing the incredible surge in popularity of the Ethereum network, Binance realized that they needed to take things a step further, enter smart contracts. So with smart contracts, Binance was able to greatly expand the number of people who will use their blockchain, and that's because smart contracts allow for the creation of decentralized apps or dApps, as well as new tokens. In fact, anything DeFi related cannot be created on what is now known as the Binance Smart Chain. And this is the second blockchain, which can be confusing for some newer people in the crypto space. So let me explain. Binance has two blockchains. There is the original Binance chain and the Binance Smart Chain. It is important to know the difference between the two. That's because if you send your crypto or funds to the wrong blockchain, you can lose your funds forever. But how does Binance Coin work? Now that you have a pretty good understanding of what Binance is, it's time to talk about how the Binance Coin or BNB works. The Binance Coin works with a protocol known as the BNB consensus model. And the BNB consensus model applies to the Binance Smart Chain and uses a delegated proof of stake in order to validate transactions. And here's how it works. The top 21 people who are staking the most BNB coins can decide which transactions get approved. While this consensus method is more centralized than other smart chains, it does allow for cheaper fees and more transactions per second. And this allows people to make hundreds of transactions on the Binance Smart Chain without spending more than a single dollar. Compare that to the Ethereum network, where one transaction can potentially cost you anywhere from $3 up to $50 in what are known as gas fees. So what does this mean? Well, it means that just about anyone can create their own token on the Binance Smart Chain. While this is a great development for those who want to create their own coin on a budget, we have seen a number of scammers and malicious hackers who have developed coins on the Smart Chain network in order to execute rug pulls and cheat investors out of millions of dollars. Due to the success of the Binance Smart Chain, we have seen a number of copycat smart chains such as Polygon. So while Polygon has become quite popular recently, and in some cases more efficient than the Binance Smart Chain, it has yet to overtake Binance in popularity or market cap. Tokenomics of the Binance Coin. Now that you know the basics of the Binance or BNB coin, it's time for you to learn about its tokenomics. If you don't know what tokenomics means, it simply expresses the structure of the coin, as in how many coins are in circulation and how many will be minted in the future. The Binance Coin had an original minting of 200 million coins. Half of these coins were sold through an initial coin offering or IC in 2017 for just 15 cents per coin. And this raised $15 million for the Binance project. Another 40% of the coins were given to the founding team. 20% of these coins are vested each year to ensure that the founding team didn't dump the coins onto the market right away. And finally, the last 10% of the Binance coins were given to angel investors. And these were the investors who put their money into the Binance project before it even started. Other uses for Binance Coin. You may be wondering what other uses are there for BNB coin. Well, for one of the most important uses of the BNB coin is that you can save on transaction fees when you use the BNB coin to buy other cryptocurrencies on the Binance exchange. Another great use is that you can enjoy discounts if you purchase from certain websites with the BNB coin. So for instance, the design website Canva offers a discount if you pay for its services using Binance Coin. When we think about the crypto world, we tend to think about some decentralized system that no one really owns or controls. However, Binance is rather centralized. In fact, it is incorporated in the Cayman Islands. If you would like to get started purchasing Binance or BNB coins, you want to go to Binance.com if you live outside the United States and Binance.us if you live within the United States. Note that some of the most popular exchanges such as Coinbase do not offer Binance coins on their exchange. Can Binance Coin ever overtake Ethereum and Bitcoin? Bitcoin. Let's talk about Binance Coin as a possible investment and its future performance. So right now, Binance Coin is ranked number 3 by market cap behind Ethereum and Bitcoin. Some people have speculated that Binance Coin may one day flip Ethereum and become the number 2 coin. Is that possible though? As of early 2020, Binance Coin had a total market cap of about $88 billion, while Ethereum had a total market cap of $420 billion. That means that BNB Coin is still almost 5 times smaller than Ethereum by market capitalization, and that means that we should not expect the BNB Coin to flip Ethereum anytime soon. However, it is possible that the Binance Coin, along with other top crypto coins, will continue to experience exponential growth over the next decade. Right now, we're seeing an explosion in the creation of decentralized apps, NFTs, and other projects on the Binance Smart Chain, and also more and more people are trading crypto, which is a big positive for the Binance exchange. That means that there could be more demand for the BNB Coin. Also, let's not forget that the Binance team uses 20% of their quarterly profits to purchase and burn BNB coins. When you consider the growing amount of usage of the BNB Coin, along with the deflationary actions by the Binance team, you have a formula for a future uphill squeeze on its price. But how high can the BNB Coin rise in price? Well, the price of the Binance coins have rocketed from its IPO price of 15 cents a coin in 2017 up to $530 per coin by the beginning of 2022. It's to say that the Binance Coin won't repeat that price action again over the next 5 years. However, it may be possible that the Binance Coin will continue to outperform other assets as it continues to find more practical uses for more people around the globe. Binance Coin is currently the 3rd most popular currency by market cap, and in this video I explain what Binance Coin is, but what about other popular cryptocurrencies? Well, in a video I uploaded recently, I explain in very simple terms the 30 most popular cryptocurrencies. It's a really important video. You can click on the card on the screen to watch it. Alternatively, I made another video on what is Cardano and why everyone is talking about it. You can click on the card on the screen, and whichever video you choose, I'll see you over there.